So funny thing happened. Remember the video that I did of Homingo's video book few weeks ago? So Rajat, the founder, he reached out to me after watching the video. I know him personally. So at the time they were looking for a model to make a video for the Big Billion Day sale, and he asked me if I can do it. And previous me would have been like, it's too out of my comfort zone and I'll make a fool out of myself. Why put myself through so much trauma? But the new me is all about new experiences and going out of my comfort zone. So I was like, sure, why not? Hi, I'm Raksha, and this video gives you a sneak peek into the video shoot that I did with Homingos. And before we go ahead, I just want to clarify that this is a very low budget, low production video that we did, and it was mostly using the equipments that we had, the camera, the tripod, and we did not need any mics for this because there was no talking. And before I forget, I just wanted to say here that you can buy a free Homingos video card. The details of it is in the previous video that I did, which I'll be linking over here, so check it out. If you're a startup and want to make videos like this in-house, or if you are a model, then watch till the end. I have some tips for you and I'll share the final video at the end, so stay tuned. Without further ado, let's go ahead.
So the shooting was happening in Old Airport Road at the clubhouse of an apartment complex. I took a cab from Indranagar where I live. It would take about 30 minutes or so to reach the destination. There were times when I used to take cabs daily to commute to work. What a year this has been. It's crazy, right? Anyways, I have always loved just watching the sights pass by, getting lost in my own thoughts when I'm in the cab. And I don't know if you feel that too, but there's something very soothing about it for me. So just taking the cab made me realize that I missed that this year. And of course, I took all the precautions. I was wearing the mask in the cab, carried a sanitizer, I had my own water bottle. And if you know anything about me, you would know how important water is for me. I drink shitloads of water.
Yeah, it was quite exciting just stepping out of the house, Like usually I go out for walking or grocery shopping or something. But like literally stepping out of the house for an event is such a rarity this year. So it was like so special just doing that.
Going forward, just to clear out the purpose of the shoot, the Homingos team wanted a 30-second video or so showcasing the product and the demo so that they can put it up on the Big Billion Day sale on Flipkart as well as on their website for someone who's there to buy the product. The users don't have to know the process at this point, but just giving an idea about the product for someone who's seeing it for the first time. And it was a casual setting. The idea was that they wanted a 25 to 30-year-old decorating their house. I just wore some casual wear and makeup and we were ready to go. While I've worked with photographers before, this was my first professional video shoot, so it was kind of special.
So this is Divyansh and he'll be shooting. And this is Rajat, the founder.
They already had printed the pictures and linked them to videos. Now, what do I mean by that? You'll get to know later.
And it's come out really nice. I really especially like this one. It's my favorite.
It's kind of a cardboard piece in the back. The photo is plastered on it and it's totally wall worthy, don't you think? I was going to paste it on the wall one by one for demonstration using a two-sided sticker and shooting short clips as I do this and show the demonstration of the product. By the way, two-sided sticker that they were using doesn't leave any marks on the wall, and I'll add an Amazon link to this on the description if you'd like to buy. Anyway, the shoot was going well. It helped that they already had a script in place, the planning was already done, and they had a reference video to emulate from, which really helps when you're shooting. We took a break for lunch, had a Subway sandwich, retouched my makeup and got back to work. While we had already pasted the pictures on the wall, the next step was to show the demo of the product, where you'll see the videos come alive when you scan these pictures using the Homingos Magic app, which I think is pretty cool. It's one of its kind. Most of the shots were just about 10 to 30 seconds and it would be stitched together into a story post-production. We wrapped up the shooting at around 7, got back home and I was exhausted after the shoot. Divyansh ended up editing the video. I think it took about a day for him to do so, and finally it turned out to be just a 40-second video, but the whole shooting process took about 6 to 7 hours from start to end. Here's the final video if you'd like to take a look. As a startup, if you're planning to do the shooting in-house for the first time, then few things to keep in mind. One is the space. Space is important. You will have to figure out where you're gonna shoot. It could be a studio space or maybe somewhere in the house or clubhouse or something that you decide before. And how long the video is gonna be, you need to at least have an idea so that you can shoot better. And have a script so that it saves time and also helps you have a better understanding of what you're gonna shoot and how it's gonna go. And have a reference video so that you can emulate from it, and it kind of really helps to put your vision in videos, so that because that's what you're doing, it really helps to bring it out. And of course you will have to have good lighting. You can either buy lights or rent out lights if you want, or use natural light. In that case, you need to keep in mind that you use the daytime to do that. You will have time restrictions if you are using natural light, so keep that in mind when you're shooting or planning the shoot. And be comfortable with the cameras so that it makes it easier, so that you don't spend more time figuring out how the camera works. And if there's any talking, then you will have to have good microphone, because audio is also very important. You need to have a noise-free environment for the whole process in that case. And take extra shots like filler shots, which might be helpful later. As a model, if you're doing it for the first time, then few things to keep in mind. You can ask them for what they have in mind for the shoot so that you can prepare accordingly. It could be casual, or it could be a very specific themed shoot. Based on that, choose your costumes and carry a couple of extra just in case. And also you can do makeup based on that and figure out how much time it's gonna take. You can ask them about it, and always keep a couple of hours extra, because if you're doing it for the first time, if they're doing it for the first time, you never know how long it's gonna take, so it might stretch a bit more than you think it will. And based on that, you can charge your rates accordingly. And the most important thing here for models is to understand the art of posing and expressions. You need to be more cognizant about your body language and expressions. Watch a few videos on the topic and just be aware in general. It takes time and only comes by practice. Learning this will help you save time while shooting, just makes the whole process a lot smoother for everyone.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.